everyone, today I will present you Moto Shine, which is a quick detailer specially made for motorcycles. It eliminates the dirt, removes dust, insects, dull veil on paint surfaces, chromes, plexiglass surfaces without scratching them. Moto Shine will restore and protect paint surfaces, plastics, carbons and composites, leaving a brilliant effect. Check the product before using it. Spray it directly on the surface of your motorbike you want to clean. Spread it on the surfaces by rubbing with a microfiber. Finally, you come to shine with a microfiber without pressure to bring shine to your bike. Never use Moto Shine on hot surfaces or under full sun. It's better to work in shadow. I hope you liked our advice. Feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to know more, do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel just here.